Hi, my name is Nick with Albert Air, and today I'm showing you a 3-zone ductless split system we put in. This is the ceiling mount unit. It's a 1.5 ton, and it covers a living room, dining room, and a kitchen. And now I'm going to show you the high wall units that we installed. We installed one in their office area on the wall right here. As you can see, the fins move on this up and down. It's a very, very efficient system. We turned this on about 15-20 minutes ago and the rooms are already cold. We also installed one in their master bedroom right here, as you can see on the wall. And everything looks absolutely beautiful. We turned it way down to 62 degrees to make sure everything was working perfectly. These units will do not only heat, but they'll also do cooling, which they are set at now. Is a heat pump system, 23 SEER, and they're made by Carrier. I'll move back out to the living room so we can see that one again. This particular ceiling mount unit goes 4 ways. You have 4 blades that can move up and down, and there are several modes that you can put it on. Turbo mode to cool really quickly, as well as you can just have the vent fixed to cool the area. In this room, it's a very large area, so we put a 1.5 ton in here. In the bedrooms, we put 9,000 BTUs in there. For more information, call me at 714-526-6368.